natural forces come into play and into conflict. There will be an exchange. You will always wonder if it was proper. The intrusion is fatal. The transformation is irreversible. It is your awesome responsibility. What has fought for existence and survived, you are about to redo. The transformation is all-encompassing. As a tree moans and cracks, it all at once blots out the forest floor as it beckons light to rush in anew. As if the light was poised at the tips of the surrounding trees and now gushes to fill this new void. The crash of light upon this new void has echoed a promise of renewal. Regardless of the lofty potential of new forms, you have already altered the greater sculpture, the forest. You have created a void to fill a void. You have traded the museum of the forest for the museum of the city. The forest has given the city life once again.